This is some lemon rind that's been dried and frozen and ground. I didn't label this for some reason. I think it's beetroot. Or it might not be, but I'm sure it's edible. Half a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of chili powder, and a pinch of cumin coriander mix. 90-10, extra lean. So with the balance, I'm just going to make little meatballs. For this size portion, I'm just going to do about a tablespoon of apricot jam, and I've got the mild barbecue by Kinder's, 2 tablespoons. This is going to get heated up when it's time to eat. So I'm just going to put it like this in the freezer. Oh, that's delicious.